Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify After Effects project settings for batch render stability. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and load your project. Navigate to the top menu and click on File. Select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Project Settings window, review the General tab. Check the color settings to ensure they match your intended output. Move to the Video Rendering and Effects tab. Confirm that your renderer is set to Mercury GPU acceleration if supported by your system. In the Output Module section, select the appropriate format for your project. Make sure your resolution settings are as desired for the final output. Now let's review the composition settings. Select your main composition in the project panel. Go to the top menu and click on Composition. Choose Composition Settings from the drop-down. Verify the frame rate matches your project specifications. Check the duration and the dimensions are correct for your final render. Next, examine your assets for any unsupported formats. Ensure all files are properly linked and not missing. Return to the project panel and select all your compositions. Click on Edit in the top menu and choose Collect Files. This will gather all assets into a single folder for organization. Now let's prepare for batch rendering. Go to File and select Export, then Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue, review your output module settings once again. If necessary, click on the output module link to adjust settings. Choose a suitable output location for your rendered files. Once everything is checked, you can prepare to start the batch render. Go to Render in the Render Queue. Your batch render will begin processing all queued compositions. Monitor the progress to ensure stability throughout the rendering process. If any issues arise, check the logs for errors. Upon completion, verify the outputs to confirm everything rendered correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.